In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Remote to TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any Samsung controller that you have. This can be a smart TV remote with voice control or even a generic universal one. So I'm going to show you various different methods. To start, if you have this sort of modern Samsung remote, all that you have to do is press simultaneously the back button and the play/pause button for a few seconds. So press both of these buttons simultaneously together for a few seconds and make sure that you are pointing it in the direction of the TV sensor. As soon as you do this and you let it there for a few seconds, it is going to be set up automatically by your Samsung TV. And as soon as it is picked up and set up, you will be able to use the controller or the remote on your TV. It is simple to do, and this one is going to be the most convenient one by far. All of the buttons will be assigned automatically, and you will be able to use it. Now, there are different ways as well. If you have one of these generic or universal ones, all that you have to do is make sure that it has enough battery. So make sure that you inserted all of the necessary batteries. So usually a AA battery, maybe AAA, and once they are properly inserted, you will be able to power it on. As long as you power it on in close proximity of your TV, it will be automatically picked up, received, and it is going to work. So all that you have to do is make sure that you power it on in close proximity of the TV, and it will automatically set itself up. Besides this one, there is not many different models of controls. You will either be able to press a specific combination of buttons like the back button and the play button, or simply power it on in close proximity. You can also consider using your phone. So if you connect your phone to your Samsung TV, you will be able to select it from here on the Smart Hub, and you have a virtual remote that you can use. So if you ever lose your physical remote, you can use this digital one to control your Samsung TV. This is going to work for any model. You simply have to connect your mobile device and a Samsung TV. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Remote to TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.